Hello everyone. I am Mrs. Meenal Nerkar, working as an assistant professor in AISSMS IOIT. Today we are going to explore the graph data structure. Now observe this. This is a Google Map route. Then this is a social media friend network, and this is a aeroplane route over a globe. What do Google Maps, the social media network, and the airline have in common? Think for a minute and let me know it. Correct. They are all powered by one powerful concept in computer science, that is nothing but graph. Today, we are going to see what exactly is a graph. Graph is a set of nodes and connected edges which show how they are related to each other. Okay, graph are everywhere in technology. Google Maps uses them to find the shortest path. Social media like Facebook uses them to recommend friends. Search engines like Google use them to rank web pages. Graphs are used in everything from solving puzzles to planning delivery routes, from maps to machine learnings. There are different types of graphs. In directed graph, each edge has a direction, indicating a one-way relationship between the two vertices. Think of X network where one person follows another. If Ria follows Minal, there is a edge from Ria to Minal, but not necessary from Minal to Ria. Now, in undirected graph, edges have no direction, indicating a two-way relationship between vertices. Think of a Facebook friendship where if Aradhya is a friend of Vedant, then Vedant is also friend of Aradhya. The edge goes both way. Next type of graph is weighted graph and unweighted graph. In a weighted graph, edges have weights or cost associated with them. These weights can represent distance, cost, or any other metric. In unweighted graph, all edges have same weights or all edges are equally important. Then in cyclic graph, it contains at least one cycle that is shown using these red edges. Okay, so a cyclic graph contains at least one cycle, meaning you can start at a node and follow a path that leads back to the same node. Whereas in a cyclic graph, it does not contain any cycle. Okay? Then the next type of graph is connected graph. A connected graph is a type of graph in which there is a path between each pair of vertices. In simpler term, all the nodes in a graph are interconnected, either directly or indirectly. Now, in disconnected graph, it is a type of graph in which at least one pair of vertices is not connected by a path. In other words, there are some nodes in a graph that cannot be reached from other. For example, over here, the vertex D is not reached from any of the vertices in the graph, okay, directly or indirectly. Next type of graph is complete graph. In a complete graph, there is an edge between every pair of nodes. Okay. Now, in bipartite graph, it is a special type of graph where the vertices can be divided into two sets such that no two vertices within the same set are adjacent. In other words, every edge in the graph connects a vertex from one set to a vertex from other set. This is all about the different types of graph. Thank you.